Hi guys, this is me in the past, about 1 week, actually exactly 1 week before going to the festival. I'm so happy with the yarn I bought. I don't know why, but it looks so good, so juicy. I love all the colors I bought. Well, you can't see them all from this angle. So the brand Drops apparently is very cheap and I didn't pay that much for all this wool and I'm so excited about it because I am cheap. I will be using this for the little blanket slash poncho thing I want to make. Maybe the title explains it? I hope so, otherwise that would maybe be a bad title. But I'm gonna try to make a blanket kind of poncho thing in about 3 days on a festival. I will use it to warm myself in the evening, hopefully, probably the last day, I'm guessing. So I don't know if I'll be able to finish it in time, but it's like a fun little challenge. It will be a bit itchy. I don't really like how wool feels on my skin. I wasn't going to go to a festival without a project because I'm so used to working on a project all the time when I'm at home. Let's go, let's hop into time for 1 week. This is almost all the stuff we're taking with us. We actually have more, but we bought this handy thing to carry all our stuff, or almost all our stuff. This is my look for the first day. It's just a top and a black skirt. I think I'm going to start with this color. Here's my hook. This is the hook that Evert gave me that's very big and I don't know on which project I would use it otherwise, so I'm gonna use it on this project and hopefully it turns out okay with this wool because it isn't extremely thick. Also today it's going to rain a lot, so I hope we survive. I hope we can set up our tent safely. We are waiting until the rain is over. It's very dramatic and I hope it stops soon because we have to set up our tent, but it's raining very much. Hard. We survived and now we're eating a snack. Very cute that I expected that my feet would stay dry in this weather. It's actually raining very hard and I'm in a tent of friends now, so I hope they don't mind. But I have my crochet stuff here. I haven't crocheted for a while because we just went to see some concerts. I'll probably sit here for about 2 more hours maybe and he will go back, but I have some time to crochet now. I'll see what I can do. Guys, if you're watching this and you are in a warm, safe place, just feel good about it because this could be you. This could be you. And I actually ordered a lot more colors than I thought I did. I have so many. I still have these 3 colors to add to this. During the afternoon we saw some shows. My feet were soaking wet though. I also had an amazing Dutch wheat burger, which is a burger made out of seaweed. On the second day I already started with the arm and head holes. I think it started to turn out very nice. In the evening I ate a vegan kebab and we saw some more shows. The last day I could already crochet while wearing the poncho itself, which I found kind of funny. It will be very close when it comes to my wool, but I don't want to use the bright colors like the blue and the yellow as much. So they're almost all gone and used for this project. Look at my pair of scissors poking out of the bag. In the evening of the third day it was finished, so I could wear it in the evening. Ta-da! It's now the next day and we are home. We took a shower and stuff like that. I'm so happy to be home again for the comfort, but I had a very good time at the festival. By the way, I'm wearing a dress my mom made for me about 2 years ago. It's very cute. I'm gonna show you the result. A little fun detail to know is that I almost used all my yarn besides the very flashy colors, colors like the yellow and blue. But at the end I was just a bit too short of yarn to finish the last stitch, which is maybe a fun detail to know. But I was very good at imagining how many balls of yarn I would need. This is the result. I'm gonna put it on. It's very easy to put on as well. Here it is. It's very comfy. I wore it on our way back home. Please ignore all the mess in the back. We have a lot of cleaning up to do. I have about 1000 machines of laundry that I need to do, which I'm not very excited about. This is the back. I'm so happy that I was able to finish it in about 3 days. It went very quickly because usually I'm a bit slow, but I think that's because I used a very big hook. And yeah, I just love how it looks. I'll definitely use this during the evenings when I'm on the sofa, or when I have my studio space and I can wear it on my chair. I'm very impressed by myself for being able to make the armholes and the head hole. I also really like the colors. Yeah, I'm very happy about it. So that's it for this video. Be sure to check out my other videos as well, because I put out a lot of content about illustration, crocheting and other do-it-yourself kind of crafty stuff. So be sure to check out my other videos as well. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking and commenting what you think of this project and if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you next week. Have a good day or night. Bye bye!